How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. In your DM, maybe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing on my inventory. So guys, today I have here another box. So I am here to show you guys what I have. How y'all been lately? Since I hadn't been on this channel in a while. So before you guys get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. Don't forget to share this video with any and everyone. And leave a comment down below, okay? Let me know what y'all think of my merch. She got this wrapped up pretty tight. Y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. Nah, I ain't gonna tell y'all what happened about my package. I had the folks say they had delivered the package to me. They attempted to deliver the package, y'all. She did not attempt to deliver. They later put this package over in the the attempted deliver slip on one of my mails and put it in my mailbox. She did not ring my doorbell or nothing. So of course your girl called the post office and told her, because y'all don't play. I was waiting on my stuff. I've been waiting on my stuff all day long. So hell. So guys, I opened this wrong. So now I gotta flip it over. Yeah. Yes, baby. Yes. Y'all see my babies that came in. These mini right here, can't say a mini nothing. I had a lot of folks has requested minis. So I do have the short lashes if y'all want to purchase them. Here's Boss Babe. I love Boss Babe, y'all. I wear Boss Babe all the time. They the short version of my flirties. So y'all better get y'all pair. I am going to post them on my site in a few. So y'all can go ahead on and place y'all orders. Okay? So I can get them to y'all for the holidays. Okay, these are unique. Can y'all see unique? Those are unique. So I have many unique mini unique and Boss Babe that I'm about to add to my line. And what I already have is Flirty Babes, Sassy, Spider Legs, and Full Effect. So I'm adding 3 more lashes to the line. These are Sassies right here. Sassy, baby, sassy. These are Flirty Babes. Y'all better get y'all some while it's still out. I am so excited, y'all. Sassy is my #1 seller. They sold out so quick. Too quick. What I'm about to do is add them to my line. Yeah. Then I wanted to do a video for you guys because, like I said, I hadn't seen you all in quite a while. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And I'm out. Love you guys. Just had to show y'all what I hate.